What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. There are thousands of no-code and AI agencies, with more being added every day. How do you stand up from all the others when you're just getting started? As part of our expert interview series, agency founder Tomasz Wesolowski shares the answer that helped him grow his team from 2 to over 200. Please like and subscribe, and check out our No-Code Pros community to listen to the full interview and join other agency owners, startup founders, and freelancers to build a thriving business.
So there is a lot of competition, but when you open any of the web page of any of the agency, you see all of them are the same. Yeah, we can build you everything. We are doing consultancy. We are doing UX. We are the best. This is our portfolio. Each of the agency has a couple of cool projects to choose from. These are our happy clients. Each of the agency has some of the happy clients. That's all, and all of them are the same, right? And the real win can come when you are when you are in the niche. For example, our niche was the software house, because when we were growing, the whole market was full of just the agencies. Interactive, it was called the interactive agency, right? The interactive agency was building websites, doing internet campaigns, SEO, and a little bit of coding. And we found our niche to become an internet software house. This claim internet software house was completely new these days. So we were different from those agencies. We were saying to customers, we don't know how to do UX. We don't know how to do graphic design. These are our partner agencies that can do this. We are really good at creating web applications, and that's all, right? And this was our first specialization, and it worked, because if we were, I don't know, there were 100 of agencies in Poland and only 2 like us doing internet software, positioning like internet software house. So if a client would like to create something more complicated than the website, he will approach us, because we were nearly the only one. Then the software house also become more and more popular, and we've decided to focus on e-commerce, right? Because e-commerce was growing, and we found our first customer for a really big advanced e-commerce software. We have built a case study from that, and we started moving from conference to conference, telling that we built a really cool big e-commerce, and we started to position ourselves as a software house that is creating dedicated e-commerce software, right? So it was another layer. First the software house, then the software house specialized in e-commerce, right? And again, there were a lot of people, a lot of software house these days, but no one was specialized in e-commerce, right?
All right, so what's the takeaway here? A common insight you might have heard before is riches in the niches. Finding your niche helps to focus your offering so you can generate initial momentum to then grow and expand elsewhere. Tomasz explained how to apply the principles to the agency business. First, when everyone was an interactive agency, he narrowed to be just a software house. As the field of other software houses grew, he narrowed in again to focus on being a software house with an e-commerce focus. This allowed him to stay top of mind for his target clients. By trying to be everything to everyone, you end up as nothing. By trying to be the great for a small group, you can become the best. Find your niche by defining which specific group to focus on, and get comfortable saying no to everyone and everything else. If you want to get help on finding your own niche, hop on over to our free community, where you can get feedback, support, and inspiration from other agency owners and freelancers in the trenches. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.